today I got the missing piece to my exhaust system. It's packaged nicely. And there it is. A 4-inch extension pipe for the track. Right under the truck. This has to fit right here. Connect on that end and connect on that end, and then I'll just clamp it in. So let me get that done. The pipe is installed now, but I only have one clamp and I need one more for the front, and I need one for my muffler delete pipe as well, because the one that was here broke. So I'm heading out to the store to grab a couple. Here we go. Made it to O'Reilly's. Now we'll check and see if they got a few 4-inch exhaust clamps. I got the clamps. I'm heading back home now. Alright, I got the clamp here, and I'm gonna be installing it right here on my muffler delete. Now that clamp is on, I have to install one more clamp. This is where the next clamp is going. And this is tight. This is the original exhaust pipe. What I did was I grinded the hanger off, the original hanger, and I'm gonna weld it onto a 4-inch clamp and put it back on the truck so the exhaust will have support. This clamp is welded now, and I had to bend it. I just bent it in my vise to get the angle I needed, and I put some black paint on it to protect it from rust. Now gonna get it onto the truck. Now I got the hanger on there with the clamp. I have it hooked up to the front section of the downpipe to hold up that section, and now I'm gonna tighten up the bolts. The exhaust is now held in with the clamp that I welded, and it's hung. So the pipe is now supported. Exhaust setup on this truck is MBRP 4-inch downpipe, and then it has a stainless steel 36-inch delete pipe there, and then back to the diamond eye stainless exhaust, and then a Silverline delete pipe for the muffler delete, and then out to dual pipes out the back with 5-inch tips, 5-inch stainless steel tips. So let me start it up so you can hear how it sounds. CTS2 to monitor everything. Got an auto meter boost gauge.